Hello, greetings everyone. This is Dheeraj from Anviz, and I am really thankful to all of you that you are attending this training. So, in today's training session, we are going to cover the user management in CrossChex Cloud. So, in last session, we covered how to add device or how to create account on CrossCheck Cloud. So, in this session, we will be going to cover the user management, basically how to add users, how to edit users, or how to delete users from the CrossCheck Cloud. So let's start the training without waiting for more time. So before starting with the training, let's have some brief on the company. I'm going to cover the company introduction here. So we are having R&D center at China, Shanghai, and we are having our US office and manufacturing base at China, Shanghai. We are into the market since last 15 years, more than 100 plus countries that we are having our presence over there. More than 200,000 projects that we have covered till now. And we are having more than 200 patented things on our name. The major part of patents are like Bayesian algorithm, that is our core algorithm for fingerprint, RFID, fingerprint facial recognition, as well as iris recognition. We do have our RVI, that is video intelligence analytic, that is real-time video intelligence that we are having. We do have a cloud platform, that is the CrossCheck Cloud is our cloud platform, that is a part of cloud platform that we are having. And we do cover our ACPs as well. Apart from that, this is our journey from 2005 to 2020. In between we have launched multiple things. We have covered multiple parameters from our side. Like in 2015, we launched UTech. UTech is specially designed business unit for for DIY or small medium enterprises for smart locks and home automation. In 2019, we have launched another business segment, that is CQ365, that is specially designed for cloud-based access control. And in 2020, we launched our AI-based facial recognition solution for the market. As I said, like there are three business units. There are major three business units that we are having under the brand of Anviz. So the Anviz is specially designed for enterprise security products and solutions. UTech is for consumer products, or I can say a small medium enterprises, where we cover home automation and smart lock systems. And CQ365 is integrated security SaaS platform for a cloud-based or SaaS-based access control solution. Under the Anviz brand, we cover access control and time maintenance solution for the market. That covers small, medium enterprises as well as project level cases that we provide solutions to them. And we have intelligence surveillance products and solutions for the market as well. This is our technology structure where we cover ACPs, AI, device center, that is device management, event management, user management, video access control. So all the things are covered under a single platform, that is Anviz IoT cloud platform. Although that is under development, but we are going to cover all the things on a single platform. We cover the communications of communication modes like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, or 4G LTE, and other communication modes as well. We are majorly into fingerprint-based verification, RFID-based verification. We do have surveillance products and smart locks and other solutions. We do have our IoT security segment where we cover the security. We take care of the security of the customer data. And we are on the multiple platform, that is Amazon and HomeKit and Google Assistant and other platforms. As I said, like we are having some of the patented algorithms on our name. The first patented algorithm, that is BioNano. BioNano is specially designed by our team, which covers algorithm for fingerprint, algorithm for face verification, and iris verification. We do have our real-time video intelligence, that is RVI, that is our patented algorithm for surveillance products, surveillance solution, where we cover smart imaging and AI and other things. We do have our data privacy and security policies, where we cover, we take care of the data security from the customer. Our global presence across the globe, we are having more than 4 offices, more than 300 employees working across the globe, 100 plus distributors present who are providing services to the resellers and dealers, 30 plus technical partners who are working for us, 200 plus, 2000 plus resellers who are providing services to our end users and customers, and 50 plus system integrators who are working with us to integrate the solution with the Anviz, and there are third party solutions that we have integrated our solution. Major success stories: Mexico government, where we have provided liveness fingerprint access control solution, where we are covering more than 100,000 staffs, attendance and access control, and 100,000 plus sites across Mexico. Top 20 universities, where we have provided cloud-based time attendance solution and total security solutions for global offices and corporates, where we are covering 50,000 plus staffs across more than 30 global branches. There are many more success stories that you can read on our website, and you can get the things over there. Major events that we participate from our side: there are some global expos that we cover from our side, that Intersec and any other CISA and other global expo that we cover. Road shows that has been conducted from our side for technical trainings and solution trainings from for our resellers and dealers, and we create the awareness about the new products and new solutions that we are going to launch to the market. Public trainings that we cover on monthly basis. This is one of the public training that we are covering for CrossChex Cloud today. So in this training, we are going to cover add and delete users in CrossChex Cloud. So basically, we will see like how we can add the users, how we can delete the users from the CrossChex Cloud, and the same from the devices. And in the same way, like we are going to cover how we can modify the user verification methods. So there are multiple user verification modes. So we will cover how we can edit, how we can modify the user verification modes. So the first thing we are going to cover, like how we can add and delete users in CrossChex Cloud. So for that, you need to create an account. As in last session, we covered this particular thing, like how we can create account on CrossChex Cloud. So basically, we are having 3 servers, that is US server, AP server, that is Asia Pacific server, and European server. So you can go to the particular server and you can create your own account over there. And once you create your own account, you will get the username, that is, the company ID, and the password for the cloud communication, which you can use to add the device on the CrossChex Cloud. So using the company ID, using the company ID and the cloud password, you can add the device to the CrossChex Cloud. So once you add the device to the CrossChex Cloud, the next thing is like we can add the user to the CrossChex Cloud. So once you log into the CrossChex Cloud, you will be landed on the dashboard, where you can see multiple things in a graphical manner, where you can see the summary of attendance and everything on a daily basis, or as well as on a monthly basis. So in CrossChex Cloud, you have to go to the organization tab, where you can check the things related to the organization. So the first thing and important thing is you have to create the department, so that you can add the device and you can add the user under that department. So this is the normal way of adding the department. In department, there is an option to add the department, using which you can create the department, and then the particular device and the user can be added to the particular department. So once you create the department, then we will move to the employees tab. So in employees tab, you can create the employee, you can add the employee from the add option. So select the add option and you can fill up the details about the employee. I will show you all the things in a real-time manner as well. I will show you the demo of this. This is just a presentation, and after presentation, we will go for the real-time addition of employees and other things as well. So once you click on the add button under the employees tab, you can fill up the details like first name and employee ID, and hire date and department are mandatory things. Those are marked with the red asterisks. So you can fill up the details like first name, last name, employee ID, job title, hire date, department, and email and telephone number. Once you fill up the details, you can click on the next, and then you will move to the next tab. So you have to we will cover the next tabs in the next session, but once you fill up all the details, you can get the employee over here. So the employee will be added in the CrossChex Cloud. Then there is edit option, using which you can modify the users, using which you can edit the user or user details. So once I click on the user, you can edit the things. Or if you want to delete the user, you can delete one by one, or you can select all the users, or you can select particular users. You can select those users, and there is option of delete users, using which you can delete the users from the CrossCheck Cloud. Then there is a bulk option for importing users from the Excel sheet. So if you want to add, if you're having more than, let's say, 10 15 employees, or if you want to add the users in a bulk manner, you can go to the import option. There is an import option under the employees tab. Once you click on the import option, you will get the template file. So employee.xlx is the template file which you can download. You can fill the employees information, whatever the required over there. You can fill up the details in the employees Excel sheet, and then you can select the same file from that option, and then you can confirm. If your Excel file is having headers, the column headers, then you can select like include header line, and then you can confirm. Once you confirm, whatever the data that you have filled in the template, employees template, that will be imported to the CrossCheck Cloud. So that is what the bulk addition of the users, bulk import of the users. So once you add the users, then there is option to synchronize users with the Anviz devices. So for that, this is very important feature again, using which you can synchronize the users to the particular device. So let's say there are 10 devices installed across the premises, and you want to give a particular user, let's say 15 employees on a particular device, then you can uh, you can you can add the device. You can select a particular department. Let's say you want to give IT employees access, or IT employees you want to transfer to the IT device. Then you can create a device. You can add the device into the IT department, and whatever employees you have added under the IT department will be synced automatically to the device. So one more important thing, really, all the users in the group will be overwritten to the device once device is connected to the CrossCheck Cloud. So once you add the device to the CrossCheck Cloud, whatever the users there on the device will be overwritten. So the device, the data of the users from the devices will be removed. So make sure you add the users first in the CrossCheck Cloud, then add the device to the department. So the department users, or the users within that department will be synced to the device automatically. So once you click on the confirm, the department one, as I shown in the presentation, the department one users will be automatically transferred to the device. Then another important parameter, another important feature that we are going to cover today is modify users verification methods or verification modes. So under the organization, again, I will go to the employees and I will select an employee. And once I select an employee, I will just click on the next in the under the employee information. Once I fill up the employee information, I will click on the next and I will come on this page where I can see the punch management. Under punch management, there are multiple parameters like punch mode and multiple department selection and the verification mode that you want to enroll, that you can do it from here. So punch mode is the verification mode that you can select for the user. So for example, I am selecting a particular user and I want to change the punch mode from PIN to the face verification, or from a PIN to RFID verification. Then I can select from the drop down box. There will be a drop down box that you can select. So in this way, you can select the punch mode, and then you can select the department. Like if you want to transfer the employee on multiple devices or multiple departments, you can select the departments, whatever the departments on which location, on which devices you want to transfer. You can select those departments, and that particular user will be transferred to those devices which are assigned to the department one and department two. So this is the option which can be used to transfer a single employee and its related templates and everything on multiple devices. Okay, now these are the verification modes which you can use for registering the details, credentials for the user. The card number, you can add the card number manually from here. You can add the password manually from here. And if you want to, add other things like fingerprint and face verification, face template, then you can select the template and you can add that as well. So this is how exactly we can use the fingerprint device to register the fingerprint of the employee. Once you click on the fingerprint, you can select the device from the drop-down box, and then you can select the first fingerprint or second fingerprint. So in this way, I can register the face also of the user. So for the face registration, there are two options. If you are having a device which is connected to the CrossCheck Cloud, you can select the device from here, and then you can give the command to the device using the face enroll option. So once you click on the face enroll option, the device will give the alert to the user to show the face on the device. And once I show the face on the device, the template will be created and it will be synced with the CrossCheck Cloud. There is second option to upload the user photo. So upload the user photo is used if you are having, if you're not having the user in front of device, but still you want to register his template, you can upload the user photo, and the template will be automatically created by the CrossCheck Cloud, and it will be transferred to the device. So there are two options for the enrollment, for the face enrollment of the user. First is enroll the face directly on the device, and second is upload the photo so that the template will be created by the algorithm and it will be uploaded to the device. So using this option, upload photo, you can upload the photo. You can select a particular area of the photo, and then once you click on the save, the template will be created and it will be transferred to the device. Now there is another option, synchronization with the Anviz devices. Like as I said, like once you click on the device, once you click on the once you select the device on a particular department, all the data from the device will be synced with the department data. So whatever the users available in the department one will be synced to the device, will be transferred to the device. So this option is generally used for changing or updating the user information from the device in a bulk. So this is what actually I wanted to cover. Let me show you the same things in a practical manner. If you are having any questions, any doubts, you can drop in Q&A session, or if you can drop in chat box so that I can answer the questions then and there. Okay, so I'm going to show you the real-time things for whatever that I have explained you in the presentation. So let me log into my CrossCheck Cloud. So as I said, once I log into the CrossCheck Cloud, I will be landed on the dashboard page, which can show me multiple things in a graphical manner. So this is the dashboard where I can see the summary of the day, that is late coming, early going, absence, overtime, and exception. I will be able to see the number of devices which are configured to the CrossCheck Cloud, and out of those devices, how many devices are online, that you can see it here. Total number of records transferred from the devices to the CrossCheck Cloud, total number of users which are going to punch, which are supposed to punch today, that you can see. This will be based on the number of users which you have added to the CrossCheck Cloud and based on their schedules as well. You can see the single punch done by the users, that is miss punch done by the users, that you can see in a graphical manner. This is the month-wise summary that you can see it here. Like, month-wise data, you will be able to see it here. Then in organization tab, we need to add the device. First of all, we have to create the department. So in the same way, I have already created few departments. So in the same way, I can add more department. Let's say I can create operations. I will be selecting the other details as well, and then I will confirm. So once I confirm, I will be able to see that See the department in the department list. Then I can add the device to that department, or I can add the users into that department. So let me go to the employees tab. Now here are multiple users available, which I have already added, which I can add from the add option. Once I click on the add option, I will be able to get the page where I can add the user details. Let's say, okay, employee ID is, let's say 8, hire date. Then I will select the user department, for example, operations. Then I will click on next. Then I can select the punch mode. So where you can see the multiple verification modes, combination of verification modes that you can select. Then I will select the department where you can select a department and the device assigned to that department on which this user will be transferred. So if I select the marketing and sales department, the user will be transferred to that department device. So let me select the operations department. Then I can add the password. Let's say 12345 is the password, and the card and other thing that you can add. Then I will click on the next. So once I click on the next, I will be able to assign the schedule. I will assign it later, but let me go to the device tab first. Now here you are able to see multiple devices which are offline. Only one device is online, which is of the department marketing and sales. So now this device will be having all the users which have been assigned marketing and sales department. So let me change the department of the user. I will show you this device here. Let me log into the web server of the device. So here you can see the users which are there in the marketing and sales department. So once I click on the, once I edit the department of the device, I will assign it to the operations. So whatever the users there in the operations department will be synced with the device. So see, now this user is been already updated to the device. So the data from the CrossChex Cloud is synced with the device. Now I can edit, I can add the user, I can register the user face and everything from here. Let me go to that user. This is from the operations department. Adam. I will go to the punch management, and then I can give the command for the face and fingerprint. I have connected a device which is compatible with the face verification. So let me select the device from here. Then either I can enroll from here, or I can upload my photo, and then the application will create a template and it will assign to the device. But let me use this option to register the face. Once I click here, I will be getting an alert on the device to show the face. So yeah, here it goes. Okay, the face is already registered on some other name. So I'm getting the error that face duplication. So in the same way, you can register the user, and then you can, once the face is registered, the user will be able to punch on the device. So in this way, you have to add the user, and you can assign the user to the particular department as well. So let me go to the employees again. Let me edit any employee. So here you will get the multiple options to edit the user details. From here you can assign the department and everything. So let me select operations department so that this user will be synced with the particular device. Then I will be able to get the scheduling option. This option we will cover in the next training, the scheduling and other things, using which you can assign the shift to the employees. Once you confirm it, the user will be able to punch the attendance on the device. And the same, once the users are getting punched, you will get the records here. Now the user has been, he has not punched on the device, so you are not able to see the data. But if you want to see the data for previous month, I can show it here. Here you go. So this is the raw data. This is the records coming. These are the records coming from the device. So this is what actually I wanted to show you today. If anything, you can raise your queries. You can ask your questions so that I can answer your questions. So guys, if any questions, any doubts, you can raise or you can drop into chat box or Q&A session. So if you are having any questions, any doubts in future, you can drop us an email at support@anviz.com, or you can create a support ticket from our website, and our team will be available to answer your queries or to support you in that case. For any past training videos and all, you can visit our website, and there is an option of trainings where you can get all the past videos, all the recorded videos, so that you can get the training on other features as well. Or you can visit our YouTube channel as well, where you can search for Anviz Global, and you can get the technical support channel, where we generally upload all the training videos on the YouTube as well, so that you can go and you can learn from there itself. For more documentation parts like user manual, user guides, and quick guides, you can go to the Anviz website, where you are having the download option, and FAQs, where you can download the user manuals and user guides from the download option. And for more queries and questions and answers, you can refer our FAQ page as well.